Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and something has been spotted on the new experimental channel on Windows Insiders. We talked about it several months ago. It would eventually replace the System Restore in Windows. So in Windows 11, we'll have now what's called Point-in-Time Restore, which is to be apparently a much better system to do backups that you can refer to in case of problems. So System Restore, you already have it in Windows 11, is meant to take a snapshot of your system. If something goes wrong, if an update goes wrong, if you install something and it goes wrong, even if you change settings and it goes wrong, you can go and choose a date previous to the problem, and quite often it fixes the problem. So point-in-time restore is to improve upon this and also make the point-in-time restore faster. System restore has become very slow over time. Point-in-time restore should be faster. It also is different in several ways. Its restore point frequency, the time that it takes before each restore point is created, will be short, anywhere from 6 hours to 24 hours. And the retention of the system restore points will also be short. So that means that there won't be, 2, 3 weeks, a month, month and a half old restore point on your system, which very often is kind of useless anyways because it's too far back. So this is meant to be a little more proactive, and if you have a problem, well, you just go back to a previous point in time restore that would be in the last, day or two, and so on. So this could be kind of interesting. There's also a limit that you can set, which is by default set at 2% of your disk space that is available. And it will be turned on if you have more than 200 gigabytes of storage space left. But if you have less than 200, it will be off by default. You will have to turn it on manually and set the maximum amount of disk space you want it to use. So this is showing up in some of the experimental insiders, and it is supposed to reach eventually all of us if it works well and does what it's supposed to do sometime later this year, maybe for 26H2. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.